इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295।
एक थ्योरी ये चल रही है कि इन्होंने इतना ज्यादा सीटें इसलिए दिखाई क्योंकि इनके लोगों ने शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है, और कल जब शेयर मार्केट खुले तो बम्पर होगा, तो ये अपने शेयर बेच बाच के अब खुद तो निकल लेंगे। बाकी ये एग्जिट पोल से घबराने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, माइंड गेम है इनका, माइंड गेम खेल रहे हैं। आपको डिस्करेज करने के लिए, डिप्रेशन में डालने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं जाना। आप उससे जाओ कि आप जीत रहे हो, आप अपने उस कॉन्फिडेंस से जाओ कि आप जीत रहे हो, और आखिरी तक आपको बैठे रहना है, किसी भी हालत में बैठे रहना है आपको।
The exit polls is part of that, psychological warfare that he's indulging in. He's trying to lower our morale. He's trying to tell the India parties, the Congress party and the counting agents, that my victory is certain. It's absolutely bogus.
There can be only two reasons for numbers of an exit poll being wrong. Either incompetence, inefficiency, or manipulation. One of these things.
Now, others in the India bloc have not just dismissed the exit poll predictions, but they have given their own exit poll numbers, exuding confidence that the India bloc will comfortably cross 290 mark come 4th of June. In fact, the India bloc came up with what they called as Janta Ka poll or Janta Ka mandate.
295 प्लस हम लोगों का आएगा, और इंडिया जीत रहा है, देश की जनता जीत रही है।
295 प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा कौन रहने वाला है?
ये तो बाद में हम लोग तय करेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग एकदम जो जनता का जो पोल है, जनता का जो सर्वे है, वो महागठबंधन इंडिया गठबंधन के पक्ष में है, और 295
एग्जिट पोल भी आने वाले।
देखिए, ये इंडिया है कहाँ? ये जो आंकड़ा दिया है, ये आंकड़ा हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जो साधना तपस्या कर रहे थे, कैमरा 10-12 कैमरे लगाकर, वो कैमरे से आया हुआ आंकड़ा है। ये एग्जिट पोल, ओपिनियन पोल, ये कॉरपोरेट खेल है। ये पैसा फेंको, तमाशा देखो, जो आंकड़ा चाहिए आप निकाल सकते हो। इंडिया ब्लॉक, इंडिया अलायंस 295 से 310 उसमें सीटें जीतकर सरकार बनाने जा रही है। इंडिया आघाड़ी सरकार बनाएगी। ये डर है, ये जो आंकड़े आते हैं ना 10, 15, 20 एग्जिट पोल की कंपनी से, ये खेल है, धंधा है भाई।
Now, however, the BJP soon hit back at the India bloc leaders, calling their response to the exit polls as a reflection of the fear on the result of the awaits them on the 4th of June, however, saying that it seems that they have already conceded defeat.
No, these India Alliance people like Rahul Gandhi and his friends, if they want to live in denial mode, it is up to them. Yes, whether you agree with the exit polls or not, that is another thing. Yes. But you must not make fun of the exit polls. It involves thousands of people on the ground collecting samples through scientific methods, and tremendous work done by the media team and all the agencies. How can you just ridicule them? It's not good. Rahul Gandhi is the only person, I think, who doesn't have a mind on his own, because he is being fed by some of his psychopaths, some NGOs who are always talking bad about our country.
Well, Pragya and Mohit both continue to be with us. Mohit, in that case, as far as the question that is now being raised by the opposition, even before the results are announced, whether they accept it, admit it, or deny it, or dismiss it, everyone would have to wait till the time the election results start to come out till tomorrow.
Well, yes, Pragya, in less than 24 hours from now, the election results and the early trends will be started to trickle in. And we know for a fact that how after the exit polls were announced, and almost all the exit polls are giving BJP a comfortable majority, and they are predicting that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is getting a third term. We have seen that host of reactions have come in from the India bloc. Now, India bloc leaders, including Congress, including Rahul Gandhi, have completely dismissed all these exit polls saying that they are government-funded exit poll. They're just being done for the TRPs. And Rahul Gandhi, in fact, when he was asked this question, he stated that these are Modi media polls. It's just a fantasy. And he gave a reference to Sidhu Moosewala's song 295, saying that the India Alliance is getting 295. So we have seen that how since day one after the election got over, the opposition parties are basically saying that they have their number in place. They believe that they are getting 295 to 300 seats. First, the Congress party decided that they will not be taking part in exit poll debate. Now, after the India Alliance meeting, they decided that they will be taking part in debate. So the confusion still prevails within the opposition bloc, but the BJP is very confident. The BJP says that you may agree with the exit poll or not agree with exit poll, but completely rejecting them is something which is not right, because exit poll takes a lot of hard work by the people on the ground, and hence you come on debate, you discuss about it, wait for 4th of June. Even the BJP says that they are also waiting for the 4th of June, and the BJP says that the numbers that are being given in exit poll, they believe that they are getting more numbers than that. So clearly we see...
Well, part of the opposition, at least one party decided first not to participate, later made a U-turn and said they will participate in the exit polls, and as far as the exit polls not coming in their favor, they seems to be denying it and calling it mind games and psychological warfare. Mohit, thank you very much for joining in.